Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. So in this video, I will describe about a IoT based real-time smart attendance system using face detection and cloud integration system. So in this system, we included webcam, LCD display, Raspberry Pi 02W. So now we will set all equipments with this frame and I will try to show you in close shot. So now we will connect our all modules with this frame. So you see here that please focus on it. It's a Raspberry Pi, it's 02W, and here we included a buzzer. In this system, when our schedule time will be arrived, at that moment it will make sound. And this is a USB cable. It's basically OTG to USB. So now we will connect our webcam with this USB. So we will connect this one, but we need to enter this part by using a hole for our decoration. So we insert this one and also insert this one. So now we will connect USB with USB, but this pin not need to or not necessary to connect anywhere. So just we push this one in the inner side, and now we need to set here power supply. We use here a 2 ampere adapter, and it also input here by using this hole. We just connect this one in our power pin of Raspberry Pi 02W. So everything is fine now, and in the inner side we included a LCD display that will show the operational output in this part. And now our frame is ready, but we need to close this back side. That's why we included here to screw with this frame. So our decoration is complete and our camera will set here in this stand, and this is the main look or overview of this system. So we can use this wire in the inner side more. So we will push it. So there are enough space for store these wires in the inner side. So this is the overview or out view of this system. So when we will make sure power supply, at that moment LCD will show details, date, time and attendance quantity also, and camera will detect the face of students. So now we will make sure power supply here from a multi-plug. So it's just power on this part and this system is running. And so now we need to focus on a student or one face. So if we try to detect someone, so now we will set this one in my front side, and this camera will focus me and attendance will be count here. So you see that our camera is not able to detect me. That's why we need to make it more forward. So I can set this one in my computer. Okay, student data is connected with our camera and it's focused on our faces. So now our system is showing student detected 1, and our LCD also is showing student detected 1 and time and date also showing here. So now we need to create a schedule to get data from this face detection system to our Firebase. On that case, we need to open here a terminal of Raspberry Pi. Then we will type here cron tab space -e and enter. It's showing a portal that's cron tab named, and here we will get some schedule that not fixed, but it will work here. So we need to change this value to get faster response, and its time is 11th hour and 11th time or minute. So so our main time or real time is here 12 hour and 16 minute. So we need to set here that value. So we change this hour 11 to 12 hour, and we need to change this minute. Just we change this minute, it's 12:17 p.m. Just we need to change that value. It's we can set in 12:19. That means 12:19 p.m. will be set as our schedule to catch data from this face detection or student counting system. That value will be stored in our Firebase in this time. So we'll save this one, and we need to wait for some times, and we can open now our another options. It's Firebase. So our Firebase is showing that our last attendance was here. So our last attendance was today at 11th hour 11th minute. That was changing sometimes ago. So it's update when our real time will be 12:19 minute, and here with this time our counting data will be updated here. So it's now 12:19, just 2 or 3 seconds will take and it will be updated here. So you see here that our Mazar is making sound, and our Firebase data is updated here at 12 hour 19 minute 6 seconds, and attendance is 1. So if we change the attendance quantity, then it will change again, and we can reschedule our cron tab. So we will change the minute only. So we'll change it to 21. So it will be active or catch the data for Firebase attendance in 12 hour 21 minutes. So we will save this cron tab again and we open our Firebase part. So you see here that our last update was at 12 and 19 p.m. and it will be update when it will be 12:21 p.m. Just wait for while it will update and Mazar will make sound here. So you see here that our LCD is showing second time also, so you understand the limit. So when it will arrive at 12:21 p.m. at that moment it's getting the data from and it will get data from our face detection system and updated here clearly. So every day will be entered here in different part. So you see here that our value is showing here first in date, and when it will open then we will get the hour or scheduled time. And now this one is 6th January 2026. So in this date we scheduled here this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, this 9 scheduled here, and all schedule is perfectly updated here as per our requirement. So this is the full operation of our project. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description. So thanks again and Allah Hafiz.